Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find people that you played with on your Xbox Series X. So I'm just in Rocket League right now playing, and it's very easy to add these people as like a friend or something like that. So if I go back to the home screen here, and I go to where it says people up here, I want to go on down now so I can see people recently played with. It's like this. So if you played with someone, they should show up under this list. Now, not every game they're going to show up. So if the game's like crossplay or something like that, they probably won't show up under this list, but it said you haven't played with anyone lately. When you do, they'll show up under here. So you can select their profile, select their name, you can invite them to a party, invite them to a game, add them as a friend, etc., and they'll show up under your friends list. But that's how you find the recently played with on your Xbox Series X. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.